Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a transformative journey on how to become unique girl, confident, radiant, and living life to the fullest. So if you're ready to unlock your inner goddess, stay tuned because we've got a game-changing guide just for you. Have a morning routine. First things first, let's talk about the power of a morning routine. Unique girl starts her day with intention and purpose, setting the tone for positivity and productivity. Whether it's meditation, affirmations, or simply enjoying a cup of tea, carving out time for yourself in the morning is key. Exercise and move your body. Next up, let's prioritize movement and exercise. Unique girl understands the importance of taking care of her body and staying active. Whether it's yoga, dancing, or hitting the gym, finding activities that make you feel strong and energized is essential. Get rid of the victim mindset. Now, let's tackle the victim mindset. Unique girl knows that she's in control of her own life and doesn't play the victim. She takes responsibility for her actions, learns from challenges, and embraces a mindset of resilience and empowerment. Drink lots of water. Hydration is key for Unique girl. She understands the importance of staying hydrated for overall health and well-being. So, grab your water bottle and make hydration a priority throughout the day. Eat healthy. Next, let's talk about nourishing your body with healthy foods. Unique girl fuels her body with nutritious meals that make her feel vibrant and energized. Remember, food is fuel, so choose options that nourish your body and mind. Get organized. Organization is essential for Unique girl. She knows that a clutter-free space leads to a clutter-free mind. Whether it's decluttering your space, creating to-do lists, or using a planner, staying organized helps her stay focused and productive. Indulge in self-care. Self-care is non-negotiable for Unique girl. She prioritizes her well-being by indulging in activities that bring her joy and relaxation. Whether it's a bubble bath, skincare routine, or simply taking time to unwind, self-care is essential for nurturing her mind, body, and soul. Constant learning. Next up, let's talk about the power of constant learning. Unique girl is always seeking knowledge and growth. Whether it's reading books, listening to podcasts, or attending workshops, she's committed to expanding her horizons and evolving as a person. Journal. Journaling is a powerful tool for Unique girl to reflect, express herself, and set intentions. Whether it's gratitude journaling, goal setting, or simply jotting down thoughts and feelings, journaling helps her gain clarity and perspective. Dress nice. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about dressing nice. Unique girl knows that when she looks good, she feels good. Whether it's dressing up for an occasion or simply putting together a stylish outfit that makes her feel confident, dressing nice is a form of self-expression and empowerment. And there you have it, lovelies, your roadmap to becoming Unique girl. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. Embrace these steps, make them your own, and watch yourself blossom into the radiant goddess you were always meant to be. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow queens on their journey to empowerment. Until next time, keep shining bright and living your best life.